Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about radio buttons in Android Studio. A radio button is a UI widget that allows users to select a single option from a set of mutually exclusive choices. It's commonly used in scenarios where users need to choose one option from multiple options presented in a list. Let's take an example in Android Studio. Let's start defining a radio group at first, and then we need to define a radio button. Radio group. The radio group ensures that only one radio button can be selected at a time. So inside this radio group, I can place many radio buttons. I'll create two radio buttons. So these two radio buttons are placed inside a radio group that allows us to select only one radio button at a time. I need to add the constraints here to the radio group. Now let's create a reference to this radio group that allows the user to select only one single option at a time from these radio buttons. I'll start with radio group. To listen for changes in the selected option that the user select, we need to use onCheckTheChange listener. So I'll use RadioGroup.set onCheckTheChange listener new, and the onCheckTheChange method is overridden. So this method is called when the selected option changes. The ID of the selected radio button is passed as a checked ID, which you can use to determine which option was selected. So for that, I'll create a reference for radio buttons. Radio button equal to find a view by ID. This is not the case that I need to pass r.id.the radio button 1 or radio button 2. No, because checked ID will do this job. So I need to pass checked ID. Again, the ID of the selected radio button is passed when as checked ID parameter. Then I need to display a toast message telling us the option that we select. You select, and I'll use RadioButton.getText.toString. Let's run the application, and this is our application. If I select tomato, you select tomato, toast message will appear. Cheese, and this is for the cheese. You can see that only one single option is allowed at a time. So radio button widgets are particularly useful when users need to make a single choice from a list of options. They are often used in forums, quizzes, surveys, and other scenarios involving exclusive choices.